All right, here's the Miata. So yesterday I spent about 2 hours sanding down all of the metal with a Scotch-Brite pad or several Scotch-Brite pads, and then wiping all the surfaces down with denatured alcohol as a degreaser. And today I spent about 2 hours masking. So I've got kind of the whole outside of the car masked, front and rear with plastic, and then I've got newspaper on the inside of the windshield, and then a lot of masking tape, copious masking tape on kind of the trim and the rubber. And again, this isn't going to be show car quality. This is just race car looking good. Or, I mean, looking, what do they call it? The 50-50 rule. It should look good from 50 feet at 50 miles an hour. So, but I've done a bunch to the cage. I've welded on a bunch of tabs for window nets and roof nets and fire extinguisher nozzles and instrument cluster, that sort of thing. I've added a new bar to the roll cage to make it a little stiffer. Added little belt loops here for the center net and for the seat belts. So it's now time to paint everything, make it all uniform, and then put it all back together, and then start driving this thing. Start driving it on the track. So I'm definitely looking forward to that. But I thought it'd be fun just to take a little video and show kind of what the before looks like. So I did these little kind of aluminum pieces around where the rear hoop stays go into the trunk area. I am incorporating the factory tin pieces that go over the trunk and the tank. It does have the floor or the center tunnel move over kit there to make a seat bolt in better, but it does not have a drop floor. So for my height and my size, I don't need the dropped floor. I've taken out all the wiring and simplified the wiring harness. So that's all out. The harness there, that goes to the DME. That was a bit of that would have been a bit of a challenge to take out, so I decided to just bag that up and let that hang there, and I think I can paint around it. So I'm going to do spray paint. I'm going to do 1 coat of primer and then 2 coats of gray, kind of a medium gray color. So we'll see how that turns out. All right, it's looking pretty good. So this is 1 coat of primer and 1 coat of paint. So the paint is actually really close in color to the primer, just a little glossier. So I can kind of see areas where it's a little bit duller in finish, so I don't think I have quite as much paint coat on that. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the results. I'm going to give it 1 more coat on the interior with the gloss paint, and then call it done, and then take all the masking off, and then it'll be time to start putting stuff back together. So I've peeled off all the masking after my 2 coats of gray, and I'm really pleased with it. It came out really nice, relatively glossy. I think I did a good job on the prep. The doors aren't, that glossy, but they're pretty even, all things considered. The cage bar elements came out really nice. Floor came out pretty good. I had made a little switch panel in there that I'd actually painted separately, but you can see it there. I made some little vinyl letters for it to label all of my switches. I did a pretty good job getting the back sides of the bars from reaching in. It looks like the top kind of there on that bar is a little light. I might try to spray a little bit of paint on like just a brush and kind of dab that into place. But yeah, so that door came out pretty good. Again, I'm very happy with the results. I just got to do some reassembly and the car will be ready to go. Well, I have a little bit more work I have to do. I have to do an alignment and corner balance, put it all together. I'll want to peel off all of the existing decals and do a different scheme on it. So there's like that door bar and that door. So yeah, so not bad for a few days work. So it took, again, I spent about 2 hours doing the cleaning, kind of the cleaning and sanding initial prep, about 2 hours masking it, and then I would say about a half hour or so, 20 minutes for each coat of paint. The primer maybe took a little bit longer because it ended up taking 4 cans of primer to do the interior, and then it took 2 cans of finish paint, of the gray paint, for each coat. So I ended up using 8 cans, 8 spray cans total, 4 primer and 4 paint. So, but again, it's looking good. Soon to go to the track.